Wendy Morton, CrossFit JAX. This is homework number 6. I picked the workout 4 rounds for time with a 400-meter run, 18 push presses, and 6 ring muscle ups with a time stimulus of 15 to 20 minutes. So we're aiming for a 4 to 4.5 minute or faster round. Therefore, we need to achieve that 400-meter run in 2 minutes or faster, or we could scale that distance. For that push press, about a minute or faster. RX loading on that is 65 pounds for the ladies, 95 pounds for the men. I'd want you to pick a weight that you could do unbroken or 2 sets for the first 2 rounds. So think about reps of 10 and then 8, and then no more than 3 sets. So think about 6, 6, and 6 to achieve those 18 push presses in the last 2 rounds. Those ring muscle ups, we want to achieve that in 1.5 to 2 minutes or faster, and we want to achieve that in 3 sets or less. For scaling options, we can reduce those reps to 5 or 4 or even 3 ring muscle ups. For today, we're going to have the scaling option of 1 high ring pull up followed by 1 high ring toes to bar is going to equal 1 muscle up, and that would be a scaled option. And also we'll be offering some low ring transitions. For today, I'm only going to spend 3 minutes at the whiteboard. For the 3-minute general warm-up, I'm going to have some athletes with a PVC pipe doing pass-throughs around the world and other athletes doing some running line drills. Only reason to do this is to get out less PVC pipes, so you'll have a partner and you'll pass the PVC pipe to the person for those 3 minutes. Hopefully we can get those PVC pipes off the floor a little bit faster by only getting out half of what we need. For the next 4 minutes, 6 minutes to 10 minutes, we're going to be doing our ring muscle up progression. I'm going to spend about 2 minutes on the low ring transitions, about 30 seconds assessing that high ring pull up and toes to bar, and then 1.5 minutes teaching, seeing, assessing the ring muscle up for people. At the 10-minute mark, we're going to proceed to that push press progression. Man, I love to start with a PVC pipe, but for today, we're going to go right to the empty barbell. I'm going to start with some strict presses. I'm going to review the dip and drive, and then we're going to get right into that push press. Then I'm going to get plates on those bars, and we're going to just assess the deadlift and the hang muscle clean, just making sure that all my athletes, especially my new people, are moving safely there. Once they have the barbell touching their shoulders, then I'm going to just do more push press reps so I can assess that. So 3 minutes on the push press progression. And then a combined 6 minutes, 3 minutes to load, 3-minute bathroom break in order to get our barbell up to our desired weight for today. I'm going to start this workout 19 minutes in, and I've allowed 21 minutes. Hopefully I'm going to be more at the 18 to 20 minute mark, but I've allowed 20 minutes, meaning that we'll finish this workout at the 40-minute mark. I've got 3 minutes here, 30 seconds for people to lay on the floor, and remember that they pay to come here. 1.5 minutes to clean up their barbell, and then 30 seconds. I'll probably just do a child's pose stretch whenever I get a couple of people starting just a cool down stretch. Then as people put their barbells, they come and join that cool down stretch. It can be really effective at bringing the group back together. From there, I'm going to spend 4 minutes with the rope climb progression, just going over our different options for that. And then we're going to start the EMOM 8 at the 47-minute mark, and that's going to run till 55 minutes into the class. I'm going to actually have our RX climbers go at the beep of the clock, and then my more beginner rope climbers, they're going to start at the 30-second mark. At this point in the workout, with all of the work that they've done, the RX climbers are my most immediate concern. Just how is their grip strength holding up? And just assessing that nobody is going to hit grip failure and fall off the high ropes for today. So the RX athlete's going to be my top priority. Those beginners will start at the 30-second mark, and that will let me spend a little bit of time with them as well. At the 55-minute mark, we're going to do a cool down stretch, taking us all the way to the 58-minute mark. during the cool down stretch, I'll do announcements and I'll tease tomorrow's WOD. I do like to give a minute, 2 minutes if I can, for people to record scores and also just to have a little bit more cool down time. But that 2 minutes at the end of class for recording scores is a bit of buffer. So this is my workout. Thank you guys.